All right, where do I begin with all this mess? Anyway, as you've seen in the short before, $350 B18C1, we are going to be rebuilding, at least the bottom end. Still need a bunch of stuff for it, but the head, as far as I'm concerned, when I flipped it over, it looks good. I don't see any cracks. As long as the block, the same thing. I don't see any deformities or cracks, but that's going to be just sent out, resealed, maybe do a port polish, maybe something nice. And then when that gets back, we'll throw it on top of here, get that all dressed up, and then that's probably going to sit, to be honest with you. I still got to do all that. That comes first. And clear this out to make room for all of that. It's bits and pieces. But that's why we got this. And I'll show you what it is in a bit. Yeah, buddy. There it is in all its Chinese glory. It's a $75, I think it's Dark Racing, Dark something, engine stand. I think I've used some of these products for my 7.3 diesel when I had it. I hope it works. But we're gonna go ahead and assemble that off camera, of course. I'm only one man, and then I'm also only one man without a crane. And we're gonna put that on what will be there. You'll see. And here it is. You get what you pay for. I am not going to do an in-depth review on this thing because if this holds that, it's fine, but I wouldn't put anything heavier than this on that. 750 pound rated. Okay, sure. Okay, and now for the stress test, we'll be putting, well, that on that, but that on that, and that goes on. You'll see. Okay, I'm back next day. I had to buy $21 worth of hardware to get that set up because the bell housing bolts are too short. Why is hardware expensive? I don't... Okay, it's on there, but it's extremely janky. And I'm also like ashamed, like you probably can see the hanging off the bolts back there. Don't mount an engine like this. This is light enough where it's kind of okay, get some little stress test, but no, don't do anything of what I just did. All right, so now basically I'm gonna tear this apart piece by piece. I'll make videos about it, what we're gonna do, how to rebuild the bottom end. That scares me right there. Especially this apparently was a boosted motor too, so not good. We'll see how bad it is. The guy said that the piston rings on the inside were properly fried. Also, I'm currently battling a sickness here. I'm not down with it. But that's what we're gonna do. If it all is said and done, what he said, we will pop out piston rings that he fried. I have no mad scientist here with me. I am the mad scientist, so hopefully y'all got that reference. Yep. Yeah, and then we're just gonna kind of dive on into just a soft rebuild on the short block. Trying to source a B16 transmission. I want to do an LS fifth gear with this. I do want to make it very streetable with enough power. I'm not gonna go turbo, just bolt-ons. And you know, I love a good all-motor VTEC. You know, just high revving 4-cylinder, especially the way Honda makes it. It sounds beautiful. Yeah, that's a short little update. Remove all this crap. Get to let's check right there. Probably replace that. And yeah, there she is, B18C1. We're gonna get to it. Figure give you a short little update video. Like, subscribe, and we're gonna get this show on the road.